Calling all architects and designers. Elevate your SketchUp renderings with Western States Metal Roofing's 3D Smart Textures, the ultimate game changer for your projects. Dive into our premium collection, featuring exclusive specialty paint prints, wood, and copper finishes for metal roofing and siding. Whether you're crafting sleek modern aesthetics or rustic timeless vibes, our textures bring jaw-dropping realism to your models. The best part? You can now seamlessly explore all our vibrant colors and finishes through the brand new Lightbeans plugin, right inside SketchUp. Simply download the plugin and search Western States Metal Roofing to access our entire library. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to effortless creativity. Visit westernstatesmetalroofing.com and discover why we're one of the top choices for architects and designers. Transform your architectural visions into stunning, photorealistic masterpieces today.